Hey everyone, welcome back. If the Lyft app crashes the moment you open it, freezes on a pink loading screen, or just won't launch at all, especially when you need a ride urgently, here's how to fix it in under a minute. First, swipe up and close the Lyft app completely from your recent apps, then press and hold on the Lyft icon, remove app, delete app, then delete the app completely, and go to the App Store, search for Lyft, and reinstall it completely fresh. A corrupted app file from a bad update is the most common reason Lyft won't open, and a clean reinstall clears all of that instantly. After reinstalling it, if it still crashes, go to the Settings app and then go to General, then go to VPN and Device Management and make sure no VPN is active. Lyft blocks VPN connection and crashes immediately when one is detected. Also, go to the settings, go to general and go to software update and make sure your iPhone is on the latest iOS version. Lyft stopped supporting all older iOS versions regularly after the major updates. So all you gotta do is delete and reinstall Lyft, turn off any VPN and update your iOS. One of these will fix the crash.